So just a little idea I'm messing around with, cutting 357 bullets out of this brass bar stock. This you can get this stuff on eBay or whatever, super cheap. And so just kind of turned in some hollow points out of that stock. I made a point forming tool for the ogive on the bullet, and the hollow point's just a number three center drill. That's it. So just here's kind of my first attempts, just kind of messing around. And this is one that I made just like this one with the hollow point, and just put some lead shot in there. Just kind of stood it up on end, dropped some lead shot in there, got it hot with the torch and melted it down in there for a soft point. But and this is just a cast, Lee cast. It's lubed and sized, and that's all that is. You can see that's a pretty deep hollow point. And my HC chucker lathe, I have the Hardinge HC chucker, and it's a turret lathe, so it's designed for production like that. And I can turn, I could probably make a bullet like every 10 or 15 seconds or so. So may give that a try. So this is just the Lee cast pre-sized. It's got some lube in there, and they go around, they fluctuate, 3 grains here or there, but that one weighs 144 grains. And this brass bullet that I turned is 116. So it's pretty light, but I can make them longer to add weight. And then you can see this is with the lead in it. It's more like 128 grains, probably closer to 130 between the variation, but it's probably going to put me somewhere in this range, in the 125 grain. I'm going to shoot for 125 grains, and then I'll be able to use this load data.